So today I'm going to be taking you on a road trip to the Fairmont Smart Luxury Apartment that we have in Ikeja. As you can see, this is the normal Ikeja Computer Village Road, and we're going to be taking a direct access turn, and the property is at Obankran, which is in just for proximity to the Ikeja local wing of the Murtala Muhammed International Airport. It's a very good investment opportunity, and there's a lot that you stand to gain here if you have an investment here. As you can see, this is the road from the Ikeja Alausa Secretariat, and we're heading down to the Computer Village. This is a very good investment opportunity if you're an investor. More importantly, if you are interested in having a property that will pay you forever through shortlets. And the one bedroom, it will give you the studio apartment will give you 10 million naira. The one bedroom will give you over 12 million naira, and the two bedroom is set to generate from 13 million naira upwards. So this is the popular Ikeja Computer Village for some of us who are very familiar with this axis. And Fairmont Smart Apartment is just 2 minutes from here. So we are going to be taking a turn in now to our right. Okay, so this is the environment where the property is, and as you can see, it's very serene. Of course, we don't have issue of flooding here. This is the Lagos mainland, and of course, it's also in the direct opposite to the Ikeja Alausa Secretariat. So it's a very good investment. Just sit down, relax, and enjoy this part of the. In case you're coming across this channel, do well by supporting us by subscribing, and of course you will get to see the rest of the video as you follow through. So do well to subscribe, share this video, and if you have any inquiry concerning this video, you are free to contact the number below this caption of this video, and of course I'll put in my link in the description also. Bye bye for now. Behind this fence is the local wing of the Murtala Muhammed International Airport. If you are a real estate investor who is interested in cash flow, I'm referring to a real estate investor whose real estate investment will be making money for him or her while she's sleeping, then don't skip this video, because I got great news for you. Right here, we're going to be having 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and studio apartment. We also have 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom loft available here in Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. And right here, this project promises a smart home automation system, fully equipped gym and fitness center. We're also going to be having a secured management security system. We also have, of course, elevator. It's going to be 5 floors. Then 24/7 concierge system, swimming pool, open space lounge, internet services, to mention but a few. Right here, you have an opportunity to own a well equipped, beautifully finished 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and studio apartments here at the Fairmont, Lagos. Title is C of O. The last time I was here, they were old structure, and this time, upon this time I'm making this video, as you can see, we have demolished. Just like some of my investors that bought in a project at Ikeja in 2024. They bought a 2-bedroom apartment for 75. Today, the same 2-bedroom apartment is selling for 220 million. This is what Ikeja real estate offers. And you know one thing about real estate, especially in the Ikeja axis, is that it favors the early movers. So an initial deposit of 10 to 15 million will secure you a 1-bedroom apartment for 100 million. If you are going for the loft, it's 125. 2-bedroom apartment for 140. If you are going for the loft, it's 150, 156. The studio apartment for 70 million, fully finished to your taste. Like I said, is for the early movers. As you can see, as the plane is landing, so is your profit moving. Let me show you the surroundings. For more information about inspection, further in details about this project, you can contact the number below the caption of this video. Remember, I said that is the local wing of the Murtala Muhammed International Airport. So we are just 4 minutes away. So for every plane that lands, your profits rises. Bye for now.